Hey, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Travels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the combination on a word lock. So that's a lock with letters rather than numbers. This is actually a TSA approved lock. You can see the little symbol here and the little keyhole at the bottom here. Mine is preset at trip with the word trip here. So if you want to change that, what you do, you can leave it that way if you want, or turn this a quarter turn and press down. You can see there's some spring there. You can't do it half turn or anything. You have to just do the quarter turn, press it down, and change your combination while it's pressed down. So I'm going to change my combination to the word goat. That's easy to remember because this is way harder than trying to unlock a number lock. Here we go, goat. Click, and then you're going to just mess up the letters and it won't open. I only remember this one as trip, so I'm going to have to change it back or I will forget. Okay, opens at goat, a quarter turn, press it down, going back to trip because I'm going on a trip. Actually, our next trip we're going to is Egypt, so I'm going to definitely be using this lock. Okay, here we are at trip. Click. Done. Mess it up and you're good to go. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels. I will see you again soon.